Hey fam, magandang araw. Samahan niyo kami ngayon sa continuation ng birthday celebration ng aming bunso. Nandito kami sa Playlab Robinson's Galleria. Let's go and explore Playlab! Look ma'am! Hera! Hera, look at me! Why are you scared? Don't be scared lang! Lo, you're a pig! Look at me, I'm a duck! Hailey! This is the first ever country's first digital playground with 14 unique, interactive, and educational attractions such as the Infinity Pool, Rainbow Tree, and many more. They have this huge slide that adults can also enjoy, but our personal favorite is this drawing area, bringing your imagination to life. Why my name? I don't know. Oh, find Haley's drawing.
I got that.
Thank you. Oh, find yours. Find yours.
I'm gonna see a drawing.
Hera! Yours is big! Hera! Your drawing is big! Hera! You see, that's your drawing. Stand up there. Oh, show me. Oh, look at me. Smile. Smile, love. Hera! Kahit kami ni Daddy, aliw na aliw din. So, nag-drawing din kami because, gusto rin namin makita na yung drawing mo, biglang magpa-prompt siya sa big screen. Super, super nice. Oh, I'm with Hera. I'm with Hera. Hera, look. You're following me. You're following me. Sabi, galing daw artist, sabi ni Kuya. Who is that? Go, Hera! Press this one, oh. Press this one.
Ay, hindi ko punta doon. Sana?
Go, the flying one!
That was so fun.
They also have digital butterflies that you get to design, and then afterwards you can also see it on the screen. And there's also other area na you can draw, and the theme for this is space, and the other one is under the sea. Like this, oh. You plant the water the plant. You water the plant, Daddy. Put the plant. Heart. And that's it. Thank you for watching and come again on our next adventure. Bye-bye.